guys, welcome. We're going to be doing something a little different today and I'm super duper excited about it. I know you guys have all seen some clothing hauls on this YouTube of ours, not art. Around the YouTube community, I know you guys have seen a lot of clothing hauls and we want to jump on that bandwagon, but we're going to be doing things a little different. So usually when people do clothing hauls, they get online and buy a bunch of stuff and they kind of know what they're getting. Not here. We wanted to make it more fun. I wanted to make it more fun. I wanted it to feel like Christmas. So I made Jess pick out a bunch of stuff that she thinks that I will like. And so I'm going to be just as surprised as you guys are. I'm actually so excited to open this box. It feels like Christmas Day. I have no idea what is inside, so I'm gonna be pulling out everything in here, seeing what Jess picked out for me. It is full on what the box that you would get if you ordered online would look like. So I'm gonna kind of put myself in your guys' shoes today and do a little unboxing clothing haul with a little try on in there. So it's gonna be really fun and let's get started because I am so excited to open this thing. I literally don't even know what's in here, which literally it's Christmas / my birthday. I'm being gifted this beautiful box of things. Okay, let's open it right now. So we got that cute, that looked so violent. Hold on, like.
So what we're gonna do.
What we're gonna do today. So as you guys can see, this is literally what your guys' box would look like when it got delivered to you. So we're just gonna open that up. Got some cute Nanamacs tape. I never get to see our packaging because I literally just pull my orders and take them home with me same day. Some people would call it a blessing. I call it a blessing and a curse because I don't get to, oh, I might need help here. It's a very sharp knife. I'm a little nervous. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm like nervous. Hold on. The first thing we got, I have never seen this before. Is this live? That's super cute, you guys. I love a good Swiss dot piece. So this has a little Swiss dot texture going on. It's a nice black color, so it's very, very slimming, but you still have those fun pops of like spring colors. It's an off the shoulder fit. It does have that cinched in waist, which I love, and then a little ruffle on the skirt. Let's see. She got me a small in this. This is the Pay My Dues off the shoulder floral dress for $43 in black / multi. I am so excited to try this on, you guys. This would be so perfect for summer wedding guests if you want something that's really slimming and you don't like super like bright white colors. This is like a fun spring piece without being too over the top. So let's go try it on. I love this dress, you guys. This is so springy. It's very, very flattering. This is really cute to wear to like brunch or any, I feel like summer is always when you get like those weird family things that you have to go to, whether it's like a family reunion or like a wedding with someone you don't really know, just things like that. This is really cute to just throw on. You look really put together, look really classy. I just kicked that. I like flicked my foot up and I go, whoa. This is a really cute, easy dress to throw on and go. Since it does have so many fun details, you don't have to do a ton of accessorizing, which I also love. It's got all these gorgeous colored flowers in there. You've got the off the shoulder look, the Swiss dots, cinched in waist to give you a nice little shape, and of course the ruffle on the bottom. So it's just a really easy but fun, chic piece to have in your closet. Okay, let's see what else is in here. We've got some KanCan jeans. You guys, KanCans are my absolute favorite. They're so, so stretchy. They're so comfortable. They feel like pajama jeans. She pulled me a size 3 in these. Ooh, I love that they have this distressing all the way around the ankle. Ooh, and they've got like a little side slit right there too. They also have the 3 buttons, so these are gonna be so, so flattering. They've got some really good stretch to them. I just love that these are like a whole look. I love heavily distressed jeans for these springs, so I'm really excited to try these ones on. These are the Starts With You button-up KanCan jeans in medium wash for $50. So KanCans, we honestly sell them for way too cheap because they remind me of like denim that you would pay like upwards of like $100, probably like 150 even, because they're such great quality. They truly last years. I have pairs of KanCans that I've had since 2015 when I first started working at Nanamacs, and they are still in like wearable good condition. So it's crazy. These jeans are so comfortable, you guys. I love all the distressing. I love this little cutout detail at the bottom. They just are an entire vibe all the way down. You know how some jeans just have distressing like right here and then it ends? Not these. It goes all the way around, even in the back. So really finishes the look. They're gonna look really cute with sandals and like a really cute shoe in the spring and summertime, which is nice. Then it just shows off your shoes a little more. I hate when I'm trying to roll my jeans or tuck them or figure out a way for them to end a little higher up. So these are really fun if you do like more of a cropped pant and you like to just roll your jeans to give them a little bit of an end early on, so you just show a little more ankle. It's also really fun to do in the springtime, so you guys definitely want to grab these ones. I'm wearing a 3 in these also. They fit just fine. 3 is my standard size, and I would stick with that. I wouldn't necessarily size down in these specific ones, but once again, that's personal preference, also just depending on how you like your jeans to fit. Ooh, guys, so I love neutral clothing. I think it is probably what I fill my closet with the most whenever I'm shopping. Anything that's like white, cream, neutral, ivory, any of it, I always want to buy. So this is the Lasting Legacy Swiss Dot Top in white for $42. How cute is that? I love it. So you have the Swiss dots once again. I think that is probably like my favorite trend of summer right now, or spring, whatever season it is, spring and summer. This is also nice and lightweight, so it's not going to be too heavy going into the summer and warmer months. Pulled me a small of this, so it's got like a little ruffle. It's got the smock fit, which is so flattering on everyone, in case you were wondering, and then all the ruffles. I'm so excited for this one. This is also a really great piece because you can pair it with like some jeans or some shorts and go really, really casual and easy, or you could dress it up with like a fun floral skirt or just any of those pieces that you're like, ooh, what should I put with this? It's colorful. I love this top. It's so fun and springy. I love the Swiss dot, of course, and all the fun ruffles. It's also really lightweight, so if you are like trying to wear it in the summertime, you really will not be that hot. It's very, very breezy. It's not heavy. It's not lined in the arms either, so you will be just fine. I am wearing a small in this. I could definitely stick with a small or size up to a medium. It kind of just depends on how you want it to fit. It's a little bit more fitted everywhere, so if I did a medium, it would be a little bit flowier and roomier, but it's honestly personal preference. I, of course, love the smock fit right here. I think it is so flattering and slimming, so this is definitely a piece you need to add to your cart because you will get so much wear out of this one, mixing and matching it with different fun bottoms or even just basics like jeans, like I'm doing right here. Okay guys, this next thing I'm super excited about because look at all the glitter in here. I don't know what this is. Like, I actually have never seen this before in my life. Okay guys, so this is the Sparkle for Days sequin mini skirt in blush for $36. This is so gorgeous. I feel like $36 is a really good deal for it too, just because it is such a like fun decked out piece. If I can get it out of the bag, there we go. How cute is that, you guys? Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at how fun that is. This would be so fun for, once again, summer weddings or any kind of party where you want to be a little bit more dressed up and flashy, or even just wear it for a night out if you are like that girl that like wants to like make an entrance. This is a conversation starter, you guys. I'm super excited about this one. I love pieces like this. I just think they're so fun, and you're not gonna find this anywhere else. Okay, you guys, I love this skirt. It is so much fun in all lighting. It just glistens. It's absolutely beautiful. It's fitting really, really well. It does have a little zipper to get into it. Once again, I am wearing a small in this. I'm doing just fine. I would stick with the small. It fits perfectly around the waist, and it's a little bit looser right here. Not loose as in like baggy, but like it's a comfortable fit. I know you guys have definitely seen those skirts that are skin tight all the way down, and you're like, how the heck am I going to walk in that? This is just loose enough at the bottom that you feel very, very comfortable, but it still gives you that flattering, almost bodycon look without being uncomfortable and having your legs rubbed together and just not feeling very good physically. You might look really good visually, but you know what I'm talking about. So this is really, really comfortable. It also does have a full lining underneath. I love that it has this mesh sequin overlay. I just think it's so pretty, and this piece looks so insanely expensive, so honestly can't believe the price either. Next up, we have this. Ooh, I love just soft pieces. How cute is that? This is the new look V-neck velvet crop top in camel for $33. It is so, so soft. I love this little tie. I love this surplice style because to me it reminds me of like, I used to be really obsessed with ice skating movies growing up, and this reminds me of like what the professional ice skaters wear, and they always looked really cute, and I always wanted to be them. Hayden Panettiere mostly, but anyway, I feel like I definitely said her name wrong, but you guys know who I mean. And if you've never seen the movie I'm referring to, probably go watch it. But this is major her vibes, and I wanted to be her so bad when I was little, so I'm very excited for this. I love this top since it is such a nice neutral soft pink color. It can literally be taken into any season at all. It's not super duper thick. It is velvet, so maybe if you live somewhere hotter, you might not be as well off, but I love this. You could definitely pair it with a cute pair of cutoff shorts. It is probably the softest material I've ever felt. The color is just gorgeous. It's definitely my aesthetic right now. I love like rose and quartz and just those really soft, very neutral pinky hues. I also love that it has this little tie right here. I am just wearing a small in this, and I'm doing absolutely fine. It is the perfect level of surplice for me. It is not too plunging, so I still feel very, very comfortable. but I also could just rearrange it a little bit like that if I wanted less, or of course if I wanted more. Mix it up, whatever you need to do. I love this one though. The sleeve length is really amazing. I love the crop on it. It's not too cropped, but it hits really nicely with something that's a little more high-waisted. So it's just super duper flattering and a really great staple piece. Okay, so next up we have some animal print in there. I love leopard print. I think it's such a great trend. I feel like it was not big, but like it wasn't out of style, and now it's just like bang back and everyone wants it. I don't blame them. Ooh, this is super cute. This is the Night Vibe cheetah print dress for $39. That's a really good deal. That's pretty affordable. I love this. It's like a shift t-shirt style dress. You literally can just throw this on, throw on a pair of shoes, and walk out the door. They're so easy. They're very, very comfortable. It's nice and loose fitting. It's really soft, so this is great for after spray tan or just those days that you want to like look cute but also feel really comfy. Okay, this actually might be my favorite. I love this. I love a good cheetah print. I love that it is just this comfy shift dress style. I think that's actually my favorite thing to just go for whenever I'm shopping online. I know that's something that I can just grab in my size and know it will fit just fine because they're such an easy thing for sizing. So it's a really safe bet for like online shopping. I love that this one has some pockets. I love that the sleeve is actually cuffed and it's sewn that way because I very, very typically, especially with like a looser fitting sleeve, will cuff it, and I hate when they're coming uncuffed. So I love that it's already like that. I won't have to worry about it. This is just such an easy piece to throw on, run out the door, get all your errands done. You can of course just wear it as is with some flip-flops, no hassle, no stress, or you can throw like a denim jacket on, some cute sneakers, accessorize it up. So this is just a really fun, versatile piece that I am going to get so much wear out of. 12 out of 10 recommend. You guys need this. I'm literally buying this like to take home with me too. This was like stuff Jess bought me. This is coming home with me. Okay, we have some fun texture going on again. What is this? This is a top. I'm like, I love being this surprised. I literally have no idea what's gonna be in here. So this is the Better Chase It velvet long sleeve crop top in cranberry for $40. The color on this is absolutely beautiful. I love this little twisty tie detail right there. Give it a little bit of a crop, but it still looks like it's gonna be a nice length. You can pair it with some high-waisted jeans and not be showing too terribly much, but it's very, very soft. How cute is that? And I saw some more cranberry, so now I'm like, is this a set? They're very similar in color, so we will see. These are the turn back time pants in cranberry for $43. Oh my gosh, how fun are those? Ooh, they're super nice and high-waisted. Love that. I am the biggest sucker for like high-waisted. When I mean high-waisted, I mean like high-waisted, like all the way. These are so cute. They're such a gorgeous color. They're kind of like a textured crushed velvet look. They're beautiful. They look like they have really great shape to them too. I'm excited to try that. How fun is this, you guys? This is such a cool piece to have, and it's almost one of those things that you want to have just in case you have an event last minute that you're like, what the heck am I gonna wear? Because this is beautiful. It's the perfect level of dressed up, but you know you're gonna be like safe. You're not gonna be too dressed up, you're not gonna be too dressed down, but you're really, really comfortable. So it's a really nice piece to just have on hand. I love how soft it is. It's kind of a crushed velvet, so very, very cozy. I love the crop of this too. You could definitely mix it up and wear it with just like some basic jeans, a cute skirt, get a lot of different looks out of it. But I also love it with these pants as a completed set. It's not a set, but like they definitely are really cute paired together. I love these pants. They're so flowy. They flare out just the right amount at the bottom, so I don't like too much of my shoe showing. Like there's a perfect fine line of where I want my pant to hit, and I feel like these are going to hit perfectly. You'll still show off a little bit of shoe, but not too much. Your feet won't look too big. You know what I mean if you're tall like I am. But I love this. It's super flattering. I love the high-waisted pant. This would be super cute with just like a basic top also if you wanted to dress it down a little bit more, but this is really another great versatile set that you can just mix and match all over the place. And the last thing in here, we've got some tie-dye. So this is the My Perfect Match tie-dye lounge set for $55. This is actually a two-piece set, so you get both these pieces. Ooh, I've seen this one before. I love this. It's so soft, you guys. I love the colors of this. I know you guys are thinking like lounge set, so I can only wear it at home. Not in the slightest. Guys, this is so perfect for throwing on to run errands or like over your swimsuit to wear to the beach, the lake, the pool, anything. They're very, very soft, so you'll probably want to wear them when you get home too. They have pockets. I love the colors on this. And yeah, you get both these pieces for $55. That's such a good deal. I love that this has this little zipper detail too. I feel like that's what makes it like easy to take out into your day-to-day life and wear it as like an outfit instead of just loungewear. You could definitely wear this with just jeans too if you wanted to look a little bit more like adulty, but don't, because being an adult's not fun anyway. So let's go try it on. So now that I have this on, I literally never want to take it off. I am just wearing a small and it fits really, really well. There's a little extra space around here. They aren't meant to be skin tight, so they fit really, really well. The top is also more of like an oversized flowy fit, which I love. This is just such a comfy look to throw on and run out the door for errands, grocery shopping, or even just like a day where you just want to be comfy but still look really, really cute. It does have this little zipper detail right here, which kind of dresses it up a little bit, makes it look less like loungewear / pajamas and more like a real outfit. So you could also wear this top with just a pair of jeans or some denim shorts if you love the tie-dye look, but you want to do something a little bit more dressed up. You could also do the shorts with just a basic white cami or t-shirt for another look. So this is really, really versatile to mix and match, but I love it paired like this together. I love how soft this material is. I truly cannot even tell you. It feels like butter, but like blanket soft butter, if that makes any sense at all. I love that you can just pull it onto the shoulders if you want to, have it be like a little bit more of a scoop neck. But this top has some really nice length too, so you could definitely wear it with leggings if you're a little bit more on the reserved side. It just fits really, really nicely. I absolutely love this one. 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay guys, so that is everything just picked out for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments below. Let us know what kind of content you guys want to see. We love just creating what you guys like and enjoy. So let us know what you think. Thumbs it up. Please don't thumbs it down. That really hurts my feelings. Can if you really want to, I guess. But yeah, I thought this was so much fun. It was kind of a surprise for me, and it was a little something different. Like, usually we are so used to picking our own outfits head to toe and styling ourselves, so it was kind of cool to get styled by somebody else and not even know what I'm gonna end up putting on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok. Obviously, you know, we have YouTube. Here we are. Just search at Nanamacs. You can also follow me and all the other models on our model Instagrams, which is nanamacs. Whatever the model's name is. So mine is nanamacs.curly, and then you can follow all the other models. Our newer models are sharing an account, which is nanamacs.livefeed. Also, make sure you sign up for our VIP groups. We have VIP on Facebook, and we also have VIP text messages. So you can just go to our website and you'll get a little pop-up for that, so you do not miss out on anything, because you sure don't want to. Be very unfortunate if you saw a cute new arrival and it was gone because you didn't have your VIP set up. Can't blame anyone but yourself. You guys can shop all of these pieces that I showed you with some links down below. We will have everything down there so you guys can easily find it, or you can search the titles I gave you on the website, whatever is easier for you. Anyway, we will see you guys next time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.